Let's start with a query that doesn't return rows. There are two main types of queries. There's data manipulation language, or DML, queries, and they look something like this. Insert into a table, given the field names, and then some values. This allows you to execute a statement that inserts data into a table. There's data definition language queries. These are things that modify the structure of the database itself, like dropping a stored procedure. Drop procedure add category would remove the stored procedure named add category from your database altogether. To execute one of these kinds of queries, you first create the command object. You got to make sure you set its connection property to an open connection, or you can set its connection property and then open the connection. Either way, but it's got to be open before you run it. You have to set the command text property either in the constructor or later, and then you call the command's execute non-query method, and that does the work. The execute non-query method doesn't return data, but it does return the number of rows that it modified. That way you can tell how many rows were touched.